On the joyous occasion of Eid-el-Fitr, which marks the successful completion of the holy month of Ramadan, I extend my warmest congratulations and heartfelt felicitations to His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, as well as to all Muslim faithful across Nigeria and around the world. The celebration of Salah is a profound reminder of the spiritual lessons of the Ramadan season, lessons of sacrifice, humility, patience, compassion, and unwavering devotion to the will of the Almighty Allah. On behalf of the management and staff of DICOND7G, I wish to reaffirm our strong commitment to supporting Nigeria's defense and security architecture as a strategic partner in the development of indigenous defense solutions. DICOND7G remains dedicated to advancing innovation, technology transfer, and local capacity in defense manufacturing, in line with the federal government's vision of strengthening Nigeria's self-reliance in security and defense production. May this Salah usher in renewed hope, lasting peace, national unity, and greater prosperity for the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Eid Mubarak. Signed, Mr. Usman Chena, Chief Executive Officer, DICOND7G.